what's up? Cece back with another video, and for today's video we got a little Coach unboxing and collection. Alright guys, so I'm so excited for this video. So y'all, let me tell you, I have been such a mid-tier luxury girl for quite a while now. Like the high-end luxury, I have a few Louis Vuitton bags up there. I have like a couple YSL bags up there. Look, high-end luxury is great, right? But the price point has become so unattainable and unaffordable, it just really makes me not want to shop it anymore. Like, can I afford to buy another Louis Vuitton bag? Sure. Do I want to spend $2,000-$3,000 on a basic bag? I don't. I'll probably buy more luxury in the future, so I'm not going to sit here and act like I'm not. But the prices just become so unattainable and so unattractive that I don't even know that I have the need to right now. But what has been having my heart is that mid-tiered luxury, like that $100 to probably $500 range, that range bag, that's really had my heart lately. And Coach has just done such a phenomenal job, I feel like, at rebranding itself over the last few years. And I had 0 Coaches in early 2022, and I think I got one in 2022, and now I have a considerable amount. So I wanted to show you guys my collection and also show you the newest to my collection. You guys, I got 2 new Coach bags, and I'm super excited to show them off. So, I got 2 new ones and I'm just super excited. So let's just get started. We'll jump in with the ones I got and then we'll chat about the others too. Okay, y'all. So this is the first one. This is the Brooklyn 23. Baby. And I got it in this beautiful burgundy shade. This shade is going to be so on trend for this season. Like, oh my God, the leather is so soft. This really reminds me of kind of that old school Coach bag feel. Like this really does. This bag actually also comes with a chain strap as well. But I like this bag for the shoulder properties. Like, hello, that is how I've been wearing it. Spoiler alert, I've actually worn this bag twice already, but I just love the color of the leather. I love the softness of the leather, and I just love how just small and chic it is. Like, I can fit everything I need to fit in this bag for a day out. Like I said, I've worn it twice and it just goes with my outfit so perfectly, and it's just so beautiful. I love this so much. It has, let me show you guys. Let's take this out. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It has one pocket here on the side, but other than that, you just have one compartment, one large compartment, and it has a magnetic, closure there. And of course you get your Coach tag here. I believe if you take it in, they'll give you, you can get it engraved, but I bought this one online. So they didn't have this color in store, and I went to the actual Coach store. It didn't have the color. I went to Dillard's. They didn't have the color, but Dillard's, I was able to order it online. And so I ended up purchasing this at Dillard's, but then it's funny because the Coach rep called me or texted me yesterday and was like, we have it in stock. And I'm like, girl, I've had it for a week now. Like, I've already been wearing it. But this color, so beautiful. It comes in other colors too. I really want the chocolate brown as well, but I'm trying to abstain because I did actually purchase another bag, which it's not Coach, but I'll do an unboxing for that one separately. But it's a chocolate brown, so pretty, and I cannot wait to show it to you guys, but that's a chat for another day. So on top of that, this one I'm actually just unboxing today, but I also picked up the Brooklyn 28 in the taupe. I have never had a tote bag like this, and she is so gorgeous. Not only are these bags gorgeous, but they're super affordable when it comes to like luxury good leather bags. Coach's leather is like unmatched. Just the leather is so nice, so soft. Like you will have these bags forever. So like I said, this is the Brooklyn 28. So this is a little bigger of a like hobo bag. And then they have another size. Let me stand up so you guys can just see what it looks like on my body. So pretty, right? And then they have another size, which is the 39. That one is super oversized. I don't need a bag that large, but this bag is perfect also for a day out. You can really put everything you need in this bag. Same concept as the smaller one. So one big compartment, and then you do have like the pocket over here on the side, like a small pocket, but the rest of it is just one big compartment. It has the magnetic closure, once again, to make sure your bag stays closed. Of course, the little tag on the side and the taupe and gold. I'm in love. It is stunning. Absolutely stunning. And so anything that I could wear chocolate with, I feel like I could wear this color for the most part. I could wear this color with as well. And I'm just really excited about it. It's such a pretty bag, you guys. Like, I have not been in love with a bag in quite a long time, and this one really has my heart right here. Like, I was thinking about getting another Tabby, and I was like, I don't want another Tabby. And then I've seen this one like all over the internet. It's actually the bigger one, but I wanted the smaller one, but just such a gorgeous bag. They have this in that burgundy color as well. I believe there's a chocolate color, black, of course, and then there might be one other color, but this one was just different, and I was like, I don't need to continue to buy the same bag. So I got that one, and I'm so happy with my purchase, you guys. Okay, so with that, let's bring out some of the others, and I'll show you guys my entire Coach collection. We are up to 2, 4, 6, 8 bags in our Coach collection now, which, like I said, I had 0 a couple years ago, so that's pretty huge. But the first bag that got me back into the Coach genre was, of course, our pillow Tabby, and I got it in cream because I just wanted something different. I have, like, if you guys can see that, so many black bags up there. And so I wanted something completely different. So I got the Coach Pillow Tabby, and this bag has had my heart ever since I purchased it. Beautiful, soft leather. They had this in so many colors and different sizes as well. But this is like the perfect size to put everything I need, broken up into 3 compartments. And we love our Coach Pillow Tabby. Like, love this so much. And not only that, but I was able to customize it. So I took the strap off, and I found this gold chain strap on Amazon, and I added it to my pillow Tabby, and it just really made it a little more fun. You know what I mean? It just made it a little more different and a little more fun. So absolutely love, love, love this bag. Again, this was my first reintroduction to Coach, and it did not disappoint, y'all. So I shop a lot on the Coach outlet site. I don't know if you guys have seen that, but the Coach outlet site always has good sales. And so, well, you know what? Let me show you this one first, and then I'll show you these other 4, because the other 4 came from the Coach outlet. So this one, actually, my husband gifted this to me for Mother's Day. So this is such a cute little bag as well. I don't exactly know what this one is. This a Tabby? Yeah, this is also a Tabby bag. It's just not the pillow Tabby. But like I said, my husband gifted me this one for Mother's Day. And I was so grateful because I love it. It's just so cute. So mini, but you can still fit a good amount of stuff in here. This one actually came with the chain and leather straps. So if you can see that, the chain is like ingrained with the leather. So I think that's really cute. This one has silver hardware, and a lot of my bags have gold hardware. So this I can wear with my silver accessories, which is great. And then when you open it up, you have the 2 compartments on the inside. So this is such a great bag for like going out, for just days out in the spring and summer. We love her. we love her a lot. So this was also a request of mine for them to get me this bag for Mother's Day. So my husband took the kids and they got me that cute little bag for Mother's Day. All right, now the rest of these bags come from the Coach outlet. This one I haven't even worn yet, so I'm gonna have to put it away for next spring. But these bags were all under $100. So this bag I actually got, like I said, from the outlet online, and I customized it with this chain that I got from Amazon. It comes with a long strap as well, but I just wanted to put the chain on it. I had every intentions of wearing this, and I had an outfit to wear it with, and I just never got around to it. So this one still has the paper, the tag in it, everything. But this is such a pretty bag, and it's actually a really good size, so you can put a lot of stuff in this bag. And the color, I just have nothing like this, and so I was determined to get different things. And I don't just want to keep getting black bags or cognac bags. Like, I want something that looks different, and this was actually so pretty. So this will be one of the ones, like I said, I'll put away for next year since the spring and summer are over. But that is her. I also picked up this one. This is another one that I didn't get a chance to wear this year, but I picked up this little guy also. This one was just so small, and every single time I thought about wearing it, I had more stuff to take with me than what would fit in this bag. But this one, super cute, right? You get like the little compartment in the front, you get the big part, and then you get the little pocket here in the back, which I have, like, I think I still have the Coach, yeah, still have the Coach paper inside of it. But it has the suede inside, like the detailing on this one, so absolutely gorgeous. Like, just look at the front of the bag, and it has like the canvas mixed with the chocolate. Like, this was just so pretty. And then you get like this this canvas strap, and these are really nice because it makes the bag super casual. Like, you don't always have to, you don't have to dress this up. This bag can be super casual and kind of take you wherever you go. So really like this one. And like I said, this bag was under $100. So we have that one. And then last in the collection, I'll show these together, but I have these two little mini bags right here. These I have shown you guys several times, but I love both of them. They come from the Coach Topia collection, and I got it in black, and then I got it in this really fun lime green and yellow color. These are so tiny. Like, I've worn these both several times, but literally you're bringing nothing with you when you take this bag. Your phone does not even fit in here. Like, here's my phone, baby, because why this don't fit? Like, this will not fit in this bag. So yeah, and I don't even have the Pro Max. I just have the Pro. But phone will not fit in this bag. So literally you're putting some lip gloss in here and, I don't know, your card holder and a small something else. That is it. Nothing else is going in this bag, but you're going to look so cute with the bag in your hand. And both of them do come with a long strap. I just have this one tucked in, but both of these come with a long strap, so you can wear it with the long strap. These have silver hardware. I actually like wearing this without the strap though. I just like holding it like this, and I love the little colorful key tag that comes with them that just say Coach Topia on them. The colorful key tag is so, so pretty, and it just gives the bag something extra. But that's those. So y'all, those are all the bags that I have picked up from Coach. And like I said, all of these purchases have been over the last 2 years, which is like, your girl needs to slow down, okay? But Coach has been, like, again, Coach has just been doing such a great job at rebranding itself and really modernizing the brand. So I love that. And their creative director just, like, chef's kiss, honestly. But you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and it was fun and helpful and entertaining for you. Thank you so, so much for watching. If you have any other video ideas that you'd like me to do, make sure you leave them down below in the comment section. I would love to interact with you guys and hear what y'all want to see, okay? Thank you guys so much again. I love you, and I will see you in the next video.